morning guys, and in front of me is Samsung S25 FE, and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. So first of all, unroll the list of all apps, go to settings, then find and select general management and reach reset options. Here you will notice reset all settings. Just mark it, and if you really want to reset all the settings on your phone except security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data and all setup for downloaded apps, just mark reset settings. Draw an out pattern to confirm, mark reset and just wait till it's reset. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.